Hello. So let's see how to make the Damascus knot. So the first thing, we just turn the tapestry and we start from the right side. We take first the right one that goes over the left, like this. And then it goes down. Down into the loop. In this way. Okay. And then again, this stays up. This is the right warp thread that goes over the next one, so over the left. Yeah, this. And so again, the right over the left, and then through the loop. This. Right over the left and through the loop. That's how the Damascus Edge looks like. And this was just half Damascus because actually we made like half knots. I want to just show you how to make the full Damascus. And we just start again from the right side. So what we do actually now is the same thing. So from the right side, the right warp threads goes over the left one. So let's go through the loop and pull up. And again. Through the loop. Pull up. Right over the left. That's how the full Damascus edge looks like. So there you go. There's another option, and you don't have to do that, but I personally like it. You can basically hide the warp threads inside the web threads with the needle. So just to give you a glimpse about how I do it. Okay. So after we place all the warp threads inside the weaving. That's the result. And now we're just gonna cut all of the warp threads this way. That's the Damascus Edge. Yeah. Thank you for watching.